Icelandic women strike for gender pay equality. Let's get into this one. Tens of thousands of women in Iceland, including the prime minister, participated in a walkout Tuesday to draw attention to the country's systematic gender pay gap and gender based violence, known as Kevin Free, forgive me, or Women's Day Off. The walkout also highlighted the immense contribution of women in Icelandic society, organizers said. Close to 40 organizations, including the Federation of Public Workers Union, Iceland's largest association of public worker unions, joined the walkout. On October 24th, all women in Iceland, including immigrant women, are encouraged to stop working, both paid and unpaid, for the whole day. Women and non binary people will strike to demonstrate their contribution to society. This year, we strike for the whole day, just as women did in 1975. Systematic wage discrimination still affects women, and gender based violence is a pandemic that must be eradicated. Strike organizers called on women and non binary persons in Iceland to abstain from both paid and unpaid labor on Tuesday in an all day stoppage. Men were asked not to take part in the strike, but to show their support in action by taking on additional responsibilities in the home. Speaking to ABC News, Melanie Edwards' daughter, 24, a resident of Akuri, you guys are going to have to forgive me. I do not speak this language, said the turnout in the city was huge. I haven't seen the exact numbers. The main town square, the second biggest city in Iceland, is packed. In Reykjavik, at least 25,000 women and non-binary people were expected to rally, calling out, you call this equality. Just skipping down to the translation. You call this equality? On October 24th, 1975, almost 90% of women in Iceland went on strike to call for gender equality. The walkout was described as a watershed moment for Iceland, leading government leaders to pass the landmark Equality Act in 1976. According to the World Economic Forum, Iceland has been named the most gender equal country in the world for 14 consecutive years. So this is wild to me. This is why this is wild to me. They are the most gender equal country, but they are striking because they know that there is still a wage gap that needs to be closed. It is the only country in the world to have closed over 90% of its gender gap. It's often referred to as a feminist haven. And maybe because of that, that women feel compelled and will rally because they are a feminist haven. Iceland's Prime Minister, Katrín Jakobsdóttir, said the fight for gender equality continues. I am first and foremost in this to show solidarity with Icelandic women. As you know, we have not reached our goals to full gender equality, and we are still tackling the gender-based wage gap, which is unacceptable in 2023. The gender pay gap stood at 10.2% in 2021, with the biggest disparities seen in financial and insurance economic activities, where the gap widened to 29.7, according to Statistics Iceland. Wage distribution also indicates proportionately more women have lower paying jobs. Organizers flagged that immigrant women provide invaluable contribution to Icelandic society, making up 22% of Icelandic labor market. Their contribution, however, is rarely acknowledged in their wages among society. I am glad that they have the wherewithal to actually focus on immigrant women. That is amazing. I wish our country would follow suit because we do know that these women in our countries are also just as valuable. Despite all Iceland's progress, it hasn't reached full gender equality, is only ranked by WEF as having 91.2% of its pay gap closed, not 100%. For example, a study by the University of Iceland found 1 in 4 women in Iceland have been raped or SA'd. Vast of their cases do not go to trial. So there are some really deep issues that a lot of people do not realize. But like I said, it's still the most gender equal country in the world. But they know, and at least they are recognizing that they have work to do. Man, if only, If only our countries and other countries could follow this example. Where could we be? You guys go ahead, jump in the comments and let me know what you think. Like, comment, share.